welcome back to our distance learning program from American Bridge International School, and welcome back to meet me again, teacher Mayom. Alright, everyone, I will know that today is our third day of week, and today is Wednesday, December 30th, 2020. So guys, based on our schedule for today, we are going to study for two subjects, and who knows what subject are they? Excellent! The subject are, the first session we are going to study with one subject, and the subject is our good job, our TH2, and our last session we are going to practice and study together with one subject, and the subject is our art 2. Alright everyone, the teacher hope that you guys right now have prepared your study material along with you already, and please don't forget to take the pictures of your study material to send it to your teacher. Okay, so good. So today we are going to practice regarding to the new activity in our new lesson, which is in our TH2 in our unit 3. And who can tell the teacher what is the title of our unit 3? Great job! The title of our unit 3 is Magic Soccer Socks. Magic Soccer Socks. Alright everyone, like last time we have studied already regarding to the previous lesson, which is in our unit 3 from the beginning of our unit until finish the story. And right now we are going to continue and finish our unit 3 as well. And the teacher believe that you guys right now have be well prepared yourself to study together. So class, before we start our new lesson, it's time for you to read the date with the teacher. Keep everything down and look at the whiteboard together, everyone. Ready? Okay, start together, everyone. Wednesday, spell together. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. And about the month is December. Spell D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. And about the date is 30th. Then we have two letters on the top, and they are letter T and letter H. About the year is 2020. Wednesday, December 30th, 2020. Treehouse 2. Treehouse 2. So guys, today we are going to continue our page, and the page is page 45. Page 45. Alright everyone, so we are going to continue and finish our unit 3 as well with one title, that is Magic Soccer Socks. Read together everyone. Magic Soccer Socks. All together. Good job, Magic Soccer Socks. Alright everyone, so before we start our new lesson, it's time for you to practice with one activity. And the activity is we have to count. I mean that we have to count all of these pictures on the whiteboard, and then we have to answer the question. And the question is, how many players are there in a soccer team? Alright, we have understood regarding to the word team already, and also soccer game. And this time we are going to review together to know how many people or how many players are there in a soccer team. Alright everyone, so like yesterday we have studied already to know how many players are there. Okay, like if we want to know about the things are there, the activity that we are going to do is excellent. We have to do the counting. We have to do the counting to know the picture, the thing, the numbers are there. Alright, so what you have to do is in here we have to focus regarding to one question, which is how many. How many? Alright, like last time we have studied already regarding to one structure that using how many. How many players are there in a soccer team? All together everyone, how many players are there in a soccer team? And the answer is, let's count together. If we want to know how many players are there in a soccer team, we have to review by counting together. So class, keep everything down and focus on counting. Look at the picture together everyone. If we want to know, we have to count together. Okay, so start together everyone. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, please, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the question is, how many players are there in a soccer team? Again, please, everyone. How many players are there in a soccer team? And the answer is there are 11 players in a soccer team. So in number 11, how many numbers are there? Very nice. The answer is there are 2 numbers. And what are they? They are, good job, they are number 1 and number 1. 1 combined together, it becomes to the new number, which is number 11. And how can we spell 11? Great job, 11 spelled E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Smart, all beloved students, so it's time for you to have the teacher to write number 11. In number 11, we have to write number, good job, number 1 and number 1. There are 11 players. So it means that there are 11 players as a team in a soccer game. Alright, everyone, so after we have done, we got into the review part, that is counting. It means that by using one structure, which is how many. And it's time to move to another activity, which is in our new lesson, that is on our page 45. So guys, it's time for you to get our how to and open it together on page 45. Alright, so on our page 45, we are going to see the new title of our page as well, and the title is Why Use. Why use? We can see letter V, A, L, U, E, S. Why use? Why use? So what can you see in this page, guys? We can see the 2 pictures in here, 2 different pictures. And who can tell the teacher how? And who can teach? And who can tell the teacher what picture is it, everyone? And what is he doing? We can see a boy, and we can see using the phone. He can be using the phone to play game or something else. Okay, using the phone. So in here we can see one boy and 1 girl. So we can see 2 people in here. And what are they doing? They are, good job, they are riding a bike. They are riding bike. You can see they are riding bikes. And we also can see one phrase, which is exercise is good. Exercise is good. Like the teacher usually told you that every morning you have to do the exercise to make your health strong, healthy. Okay, as we know that when we have our good health, strong, we're gonna be feel fresh, happy as well. Okay, so please don't forget to do your exercise. When you do your exercise, it's gonna make you guys feel good, fresh, and you gonna study. Alright, study smart. The activity that we can see in here, we can see the 2 different pictures with one phrase, which is exercise is good. And please don't forget to do the exercise together. Okay, and this, remember these 2 stickers. We can see one is alright, this one is sticker, and the emotion is alright, great job. Happy, first, we can see it looks so happy. And this one is sad. So the activity that we had to do together in here, we had to do the matching. So it means that we had to match the picture with the correct sticker between the sad face and happy face. We have 2 different pictures in here. We have to do the matching between the sad face and happy face. Alright, so are you ready, everyone? So getting out one pencil along with you, and then what you have to do is in here we have to look at the picture, and then we have to consider between the 2 pictures which one that is the correct one. Between the 2 stickers, which is number one is happy first and another one is sad first. Okay, ready everyone? Okay, start together. So the first picture we can see a boy, he is using the phone. So guys, when you use the phone, it's like it's so good. When we use the phone, it makes you guys feel happy, but remember that when you use the phone, it's not good at all for your health. Like you can see the phrase in here, exercise is good. When you play the phone, is it called the exercise? No, it's not mean like that. So what you have to do is in here, we have to mark. Okay, we have to see the picture and they have to describe about the activity as well. Okay, and this picture we can see they are riding a bike. So it means that when we are riding a bike, walking, running in morning or evening, it makes you guys feel fresh. Okay, strong, good health as well. So this one we call do exercise and it consider as the exercise. So alright, so it's move to practice regarding to this first picture. Exercise is good. So the first picture, which sticker that we had to mark with? Good job. The first picture we had to mark with sad first. So we had to mark it with sad first because when we play phone, if we feel make you like feel headache as well. Okay, not good at all for your health. Okay, and the next is this picture is when we riding a bike, it's considered as the exercise, and when we do exercise, it make us feel good. So we have to mark with this sticker. Okay, this one is happy first and this one is sad first. Alright, so that's it. So we have done get into this activity by do the marching already on our page 45 and move to practice get into on the whiteboard that you can see one title which is why use. So in here we also can see one phrase that we have just studied in our textbook, which is exercise is good. Exercise is good. If we know that the exercise is good, so what you have to do is, alright, we have to do the exercise together to make your health good as well. And please don't forget to do the exercise every morning when you study, okay, or when you come to study. Exercise first, okay. Alright, so we have to get up early and then we have to do the exercise and then we have to like help the parent to do something else. Okay, okay, so good. So it's time to practice by taking in here. We can see one phrase that is playing phone, that like in the picture, and this one is riding a bike. The activity that we had to do is we had to march. Okay, and who can tell the teacher what sticker refer to? This emotion is alright, happy. And how can we spell happy? It starts with letter. Good job. It starts with letter H, letter A, letter P, and letter Y. Happy. And this one is sad. How can we spell sad? It starts with letter alright, A, S, A, D, sad. Happy and sad. We can see the two first in here. One is happy and another one is sad. The next is we have to marching. Okay, we have to do marching. Playing phone, we gonna make you guys feel headache, sad. Okay, when you get a headache, you will feel sad. Okay, because your feeling is not good at all. So we have to mark with alright with the sad first, and this one we have to mark with happy first. Okay, riding a bike, it is a good exercise for you. When you get a good health, you're gonna be happy. Okay, but if you playing phone, it make you guys feel alright, not good, and your feeling is sad as well. Okay, okay, so this page or this lesson, we want you guys to know about one phrase, which is the main phrase in this page, and that is exercise is good. Exercise is good. And so guys, so by the way, please don't forget when you stay home, guys, we have to do the exercise together. Okay, okay, so good. So it's time to like finish this session. So the teacher would love to sum up regarding to the activity that we have just done for this session. So alright, so this session we have done regarding to what we have learned yesterday, and also regarding to the new title to finish this story. Okay, so by the way, it's time to say goodbye everyone. See you at our second session with Act 2. Bye, we will prepare.